Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Healthy Samail. Today I am going to prepare a tasty and healthy broccoli kurma which can be served with chapati as well as puri. I have washed and cleaned broccoli. Let's know the benefits of broccoli. Broccoli have good carb and is high in fiber which aids in digestion, maintains low blood sugar and carbs overeating. Broccoli contains high level of both calcium and vitamin K. Broccoli helps in maintaining a healthy skin. In a mixer, add 3 to 4 dry red chilli, 2 tablespoons of dhaniya seeds, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of jeera seeds, whole garam masala, that is 1 elaichi, 3 cloves and small piece of cinnamon. Lemon soaked and peeled badam. I always prefer to use badam instead of cashew, as badam is having many health benefits. Grind it into a fine paste. Again in a mixer, add 2 small sized tomatoes and grind it into a fine paste. Make sure that you grind it separately. Add 1 tablespoon of oil in a kadai. Add the broccoli pieces and just saute them for 2 to 3 minutes. While using this broccoli, never boil it in a hot water because it may lose its vitamins and pro-minerals. Transfer the broccoli pieces into a bowl and set it aside. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 bay leaf, 2 to 3 slated green chillies, 1 medium-sized chopped onion. Saute them slightly until it is lightly golden. Don't overcook the onions. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute them until the raw smell goes off. Add the tomato puree into it. It gives a good taste when you add it separately. Cook it until it changes its color. I am using less oil. Add salt to taste. Chili powder as per the taste. Pinch of turmeric powder. Let it cook well for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the grinded masala. Mix them well. Add 2 tablespoons of hung curd. I always prefer to use a homemade curd. Now add the broccoli pieces into the kurma. Mix them gently so that it does not break out. Add water as per your need. Mix them up. Just cover it with a lid and cook it for 15 minutes. Now simple and tasty broccoli kurma is almost done. You can include this broccoli in your daily diet because it has many health benefits. Serve it with hot chapati or puri. It tastes awesome. try this wonderful and simple recipe. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. For many more simple and healthy recipes, stay connected to Healthy Samayal. Eat healthy, stay healthy.